Did you see that Lillie Kane put out a new video on recipes? Well, there's one recipe there that kind of intrigued me, but we're gonna do it with a little bit of a twist. And I'm gonna take you guys through that. I say me, but I mean him. If you guys are new here, my name is Ro, and I've been on the carnivore diet for about a year, and I'm entering my second year, and I'm trying to spice things up. Okay, so let's start that recipe with a little bit of a twist. These are the ingredients you're gonna need. We're gonna need some chicken breasts, some really thick cut bacon, some butter, and this is the twist. We're gonna try it with Philadelphia cream cheese. I haven't had any cheese since what? Since February, since like Nashville. I haven't had any cheese, and because I haven't had any cheese, I also haven't had any arthritis pain. But today, I'm gonna have me a little bit of cheese. We are going to make Lillie Kane's recipe with some cheese. Looks like we're gonna, oh, it's heavy. So we're baking this chicken, and we're gonna bake it in our iron skillet. So let's preheat the oven. Preheat the oven for 425. So here's our twist. We want to put cream cheese on the inside of the chicken, and we really have no idea how to do that. So we're just gonna give it a try and see if it works. If you guys know a better way of doing this, we will take your suggestions, but this is all we can think of. Okay, so there is cream cheese in the chicken. Now the next step is to use the bacon. We are gonna wrap the chicken in the bacon. So we're just gonna use 3 strips, and we're just gonna cover the middle of the chicken breast. Okay, that looks like it's gonna be pretty yummy. I'm just supervising tonight. You just put the chicken in the skillet, and we're gonna put a couple of pieces of butter on top of it. Okay, so it was a lot of work to get the cream cheese in, but I think it's gonna be really good. I think this is a really good idea.
Yes.
Okay, now it goes into the oven. And it goes into the oven for like 40 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay. We're leaving it in the skillet. Don't burn yourself. Okay, 40 minutes. So this is the first time that we're using these microphones. Where's your microphone? You don't have a microphone?
It's right there.
Oh. Okay, well, so I don't know how it sounds, but I'm feeling really fancy. So just had to say that. I'm gonna snitch on David right now. David, what did you just say?
What? I said, I have that cream cheese. Now it makes me want to have a bagel. I want some cream cheese on it. I haven't had that in a long time.
Don't listen to him. Plug your ears, plug your ears. Don't listen to him. Bad influence. We're carnivores. So we are having chicken for dinner, but we are gonna have a side with that chicken. So let me show you what that is. It's done. Oh, wow, that looks amazing. Okay, but how does it taste? So here's some chicken with a side of steak. All right, so this has cream cheese in it, and it's all melted. You can see right there. All right, let's try it. Okay, so I want the whole shebang. So I want a piece of bacon with the cream cheese. I don't see the cream cheese. Like, is it there? Where did it go? I don't know. All right, let's try that. Crosswinds. Okay, so I think I have a little bit of cream cheese. Do you have cream cheese in there?
I don't see it.
Okay, I think it fell out.
Might all melted.
Does cream cheese melt in the oven? I don't know. Let's find out. Oh!
The bacon gives it a lot of flavor. And I do taste some cream cheese. It has the flavor of it. I like it. What don't you like about it?
The cream cheese doesn't have any flavor. It's just like, the flavor just evaporated. Okay, so
I taste it.
I'm going to say no.
I'm gonna say yeah.
Just follow Lillie Kane's recipe. The ribeye will be good. Let's charge. Subscribe if you want some more scrumptious recipes.